Okay, so let me get through how I get to this layout right here with you guys very quickly. I get a video a few minutes ago and it was more than 15 minutes, so I need to redo it. Okay, so first thing you do, remember that you have facing pages here, 8.5 by 11. Margins equal 0. Link the margins and click OK. So you have a new document here with one page. First thing we do, we go to the two master pages and put the columns on that. So this will be, go to click on the first master page, layout, margins and columns, 6. Go to the next one, next page, the right page on your spread, and do the same thing. 6 columns. Okay, good. Now every page you create will have the same structure of columns like you see in here. I will create the 6 pages we need by on the pages window, click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have the 3 spreads that you need to do for this assignment, and all of them copying the A master. You can have multiple masters, but this is the A. And in the end, we ignore this first page and just work with the 2 to 7, as you can see, and it gets 3 double page spreads right on your screen. If it works for you, for me it works. You can say the show document grid, and if you click on the inch sign on the command, you can turn it on and off very easily. Okay, so for the first page, what I will show you how to do is divide I square a rectangular frame tool into different grids to make a grid on it. So when you're making a box, and to make this, I will turn it on the preview mode. So click here on preview. When you're making a box, if you use the arrows to the right, you divide, you make columns. If you click the up and down, you create rows. So in this case, and also if you click command and with the arrows, you reduce or enhance the size of the gutter between the cells and between the objects of the grid. In this case, I made 6 different boxes, and all those boxes have an outline on it. Let's return to normal. We have our boxes right here. You can delete or unite some of the cells you just created for the page. To input an image, just go to File, Place, click on the box, File, Place, choose the image you want. We'll scale with the white arrow, the selection tool. Remember, the low res version you see in here is just to see it quickly on the screen. If you don't see it quickly, you see on display performance, high quality display, you will show a high res version of it. But let's go back to the typical display. This will go to the border, the margin of my page, and a little more to the center of the page, like this. So let's put the whole image in there. Excellent, that's exactly what I want. I'll put the copy in here. Let's say copy with the text tool, click on the box, and I put this just some city text copy that I wrote, and I will create a paragraph style. Let's delete this paragraph style and make it everything as this is the first issue of our magazine. Typography class. If I copy and paste some of this text right here, okay, so in this first one I will to create a paragraph style. By the way, paragraph style is under type and paragraph styles. We'll change the typeface, for example. I go to Skia size of the typeface will be 10. So size 10, Skia, get a kerning a little more closer. Justification left, justifying a line left. And so I have this here. I will click on create new style, double click on paragraph style 1, put a body copy, and make sure that you have, so it's Skia size 10, everything that you did with the typeface is here, and you click OK. So if I click anywhere here in the second paragraph and click on body copy, it will change automatically to the one you want. So please create one for headline, one for sub-headline, and one for body copy, because I will mark you guys on that. Okay, so this box right here should be also with no colors. Okay, and now I create a letter, a big M letter to goes with it. So let's say that I have M, and typeface, I choose, let's see, here, and I will make sure it's big, size 300. And this guy right here, let's take a look on the color of the typeface. Put a blue. And the copy itself, I put it here, and I can also play with the opacity of this guys, and in the control. Well, what I want you guys to take a look in here is, let me open the other document that I just did, this one. So in this document, I did the same thing, and you can see in the preview that I applied 2 lines, vertical, horizontal lines. Also a small detail like this circle here. All these details with the picture need to make a composition with the space in a way that feels interesting and good, and the text can breathe by itself. So it'll be easier to see the composition here. Okay, don't forget to save each layout every 15-20 minutes. Save your layout is a different name. Save all the files in the same folder, and bring it to next class. Try to research and bring interest for what you're writing. Okay, Good luck with that. If you have any questions, please let me know.